Hi, and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. It is so hot outside, and the absolute last thing any of us want to do is turn on a blistering oven to heat up the entire house. That's where our trusty air fryer comes to the rescue. What if I told you that combining a staple salad dressing with a spoonful of fruit preserves creates the ultimate air fryer chicken? Today we're just taking 3 simple ingredients and turning them into the most juicy, sweet, and savory chicken you'll ever make. Ready to give it a go? Well, grab your apron and let's get started. All we need today is some chicken breasts, your favorite Italian dressing, and some peach preserves. That and your trusty air fryer, and we're all set. Okay, first you want to pat your chicken breasts dry, just so there's no extra liquid. I'm going to place them in a large sealable bag. Now we need 1/2 cup of your Italian dressing. I'm just going to pour it in the bag. I'm going to seal it up airtight. Just going to massage it around a little bit just to make sure that the Italian dressing is on each piece. And we're going to put this in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Okay, our chicken has been marinating in the fridge for 30 minutes. So now we're going to preheat our air fryer, set it at 380, and we'll be cooking it for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, our air fryer is preheated. Now I'm going to place our chicken inside. Don't need to spray it or anything. We've got plenty of oil from the dressing. It's a new month, so the Amazon gift card giveaway for our Patreon members has reset. If you want to know more, just check out the link below for our Patreon. We're going to set it for 380, and we're going to go for 10 minutes. After this, then we're going to flip over our chicken and do another 8 or 10 minutes. Okay, we've had 10 minutes. Now we're just going to give them a flip, and they're going to need another probably 8 to 10 minutes. I'm going to check it after 8 minutes, check the temperature, and we'll go from there. Okay, our chicken's done. Flip them over because I want to glaze the top last so it gets a nice golden brown on it. And I've got a 1/4 cup of my peach marmalade or peach preserves. And I'm just going to spread it all over our chicken. And then I'm just going to flip them over. And we'll brush some peach preserves on this side. Okay, now I'm going to put it back in the air fryer for just about 2 minutes. 1 or 2 minutes. We just want to brown this on the top and let it caramelize a little bit. And it's going to be at 380 again. Okay, here they are out of the air fryer. They're not quite as brown as I wanted them to be, but I don't want to overcook the chicken. The preserves are definitely cooked on there and have made a nice glaze, and they're ready to enjoy.